Riva does not make seat covers. Riva has a custom cover that they have Jet Trim make for them. Frank and the team at Jet Trim will make the Riva seat covers. I've used HydroTurf. I was sponsored by HydroTurf for years. Now, HydroTurf is owned now by SBT, which owns Blacktip. So if you buy a Blacktip, you're buying a HydroTurf. If you buy a HydroTurf, you're getting Blacktip. They're kind of the same thing. It's all coming off the same shelf. They do have a higher grade marine mat, but that's for the matting. That's not for the seat covers. So I had one ski with Jet Trim, but Gary made it. Yeah, Gary Hart died just a couple of years into the Watercraft Journal. He was one of our first advertisers. And then when Gary died, they obviously pulled the advertising. They didn't even know where the company was going to go. And then Frank bought it. And Frank wants nothing to do with the Watercraft Journal. I've tried reaching out.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.